Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to see liked posts on Instagram. So if you have liked some posts in the past or since you created your Instagram, you can see all the liked posts on your Instagram by following these steps in this video. So what you want to do, guys, you want to just open your Instagram account and then you want to click your profile at the very bottom right. Now you are on your profile. If you want to see the liked posts, you want to click three lines in the top right. As you can see here, three lines in the top right, and if you feel like a few options will come up. You want to select the where it says your activity, the second option. You want to click your activity. After that, you want to click on interactions. As you can see here, interactions. Now you want to click on likes, and here you will see all the liked posts that you have liked on Instagram. So hopefully guys, this video helped you. If it does, please drop a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video. Hopefully this video helped you.